Okay, game time na in a few minutes. Andito si Ma'am Emma. Shout out, Hill, Ateloy. May ganun. Shout out. So in a few seconds, we'll start the life changer event here at Juan Ayala. From Bismin to Apari.
Good morning, Alliance.
Di ba, sir, pupunta ka sa Baguio?
Yes, yes.
So, MP Irvin will be the life changer guest speaker. Tama, sir? Okay, eto na ang Papa Piolo of Alliance. Yes.
Ayun ang idol ko, yung naghawak ng camera.
Eto si Ma'am Penny. Shout out to all Alliance leaders and partners.
Sa Baguio.
31 yun eh.
Sila, ma'am.
Pa natin yun.
Sir Steven, shout out to all your millions of fans nationwide.
Hello everybody, why don't you come here to our BOP? This happens every weekend here.
Every weekend na, sir. Very good. Thank you, Sir Steven, for that initiative of having BOP every week. Thank you, sir.
Come on down.
Come on down, huh? To the best office, insurance office here in Makati. First person.
Dalawa? Okay. Kukunin ko yung name, sir, ha? Mamaya, I'll give you something, no? So, thank you for respecting the time that we set this morning. Maraming salamat. I believe there are also the young people from Irvin's team who arrived very early. So, maraming salamat po. And then, pasensya na po, it's a one-woman show today. Okay lang po ba if I'll share a story? Yes, okay lang? Yes? Yes, alright. Who amongst you guys have watched this movie? The title of the movie is How Do You Know? May 1 more minutes na. Napanood that you're looking at. What is the message to you?
Nabalasa na pala. Na deal na yung mga bara.
That you're looking at. What is the message to you?